everybody, I'm Yuri. I am at the Yokohama Ramen Museum right now, and this is my dream come true. I am going to find out the vegan ramen here, and I am going downstairs and find a place and try to eat as much as possible. My friend said it's really too many people here right now, so I'll show you how it's goes. This theme is like Showa, which is like about 30-40 years ago, and it looks like old. And everything, those are about 40-50 years old-fashioned Japan. It's very interesting. I'm excited. I just asked the where should I go for the vegan ramen, and that they gave me the shop list, and at this time only 3 ramen restaurants downstairs it's available, so we're gonna go there. And the last one, the 4th one, they are after certain time. I am not sure, but I guess that is after 4, so we cannot go there, but I will try those 3. I am in front of the restaurant right now, and first of all, you have to buy a ticket like this, and this is the ticket that you're gonna buy. They have pictures on it and the price, so you put the money and push the button, then you can get those. I received ramen right now, and I will show you how it looks like. Itadakimasu. I finished and I ate them all, and they have. My friend asked the lady behind me, and she said this is soy milk. And on the top of the noodles, they have garlic, fried garlic, and that was crunchy when I started eating, and very good flavor. So this is very, very good. I'm so happy. I'm gonna go to next one. じゃあ買います。出てきたし、出てきたし。まとめ買い2個で。I am at the other ramen restaurant in front on the line. I just bought the ticket and get in here. This place, they don't have small ones, so only regular size and see. I am kind of full already, but see if I can eat it. I think I can eat it. I am sitting on the counter, and they have a counter, and they have a place in the behind me. They have a chair and tables over there. It's a little bigger than the last shop, and I'm waiting for the ramen coming over. I received the ramen right now, so I'm gonna eat.
人参がほら苦味とかさ辛味とかなくて食べられるやつはやっぱりこんちがもっと食べるから、
あ、そうですか。
うん。
I just finished the ramen and it was so good. They have a picture on the wall. Oops, like that. And how is this ramen made from, and it was interesting. And that was a clear broth first, but the red stuff on top of the ramen, they have a miso and hot pepper, and I think it's garlic. And you can mix with the ramen, and that's why the last picture that I showed you, the broth was not clear, and it was so tasty. And my friend liked it very much too. Me too. And this is actually better than the other place. And my report today is this is it, and I will finish it. This is gonna be my video, YouTube, very short time. Bye. 黒澤明でしょ。
これね。
So this is the Yokohama Ramen Museum day trip, and I am very satisfied that I always wanted to come here. And actually I thought they have like 30 different stores, but actually like 7 or 8 stores, but 3 of them, actually 4 of them had vegan ramen. So if you are interested in and also want to try Japanese vegan, you can come over here. It's a little too far from Tokyo, but it's not too bad. If you knew which line you can get on that train, it's just probably one straight line and you can coming over here. I am not sure, but this is Japanese Cooking Lover, and I am Yuri. Thank you for watching, and see you next time soon. Bye.